There are a couple of reasons why your blind won't tilt. One of which is that the tilt rod here has come out of the tilt mechanism. Now that can be as simple as sliding the tilt rod back into the tilt mechanism and then the blind will tilt. The reason this rod comes out is because, if you can see this, I'm going to hold it with pliers so you can see it, this little O-ring has come off of here. So you just need to slide it back on so as the tilt rod stays in place. The second reason is that this tilt mechanism is actually broken. So to replace the tilt mechanism, we would take the retainer off, we would slide the tilt rod out, remove the tilt wand, and then remove the tilter itself. To remove the tilter, you'll need these pliers. I prefer to use the ones with the bend in them because you get more leverage. And basically you just turn the tilter and pull it out. To replace the tilter, all you do is push it through the hole there, line it up, then clip it in place. You then slide this bar back in. One thing to know about these tilt rods is that they have a flat side to them. So they're half round and on one side they're flat. The tilt mechanism itself is going to be very difficult for you to see this, but it has a flat side in it. So when you are trying to put the bar into the tilt mechanism, you need to line up the flat side so as you can then push it through.